In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the macOS Sequoia beta on your Mac. The first thing you need to do is to back up your Mac just in case something goes wrong. To do this, you want to go to the Apple logo in the top left, then you want to go to System Settings. Once you're in the System Settings, you want to click on the General tab, and then you want to click on Time Machine. From here, you will need to insert an external hard drive or storage device into your MacBook, and it should show up on this list here, where you can go ahead and format it and back up your MacBook information to the storage device. If you want a more comprehensive guide on how to do this, I'll leave a link to that video in the description. Now we've backed up all of the data on our Mac, we need to sign up for the Apple beta program. To do this, you want to go to your web browser, and then you want to go to beta.apple.com, and I will leave a link in the description, and that will take you to a website that looks like this. From here, you want to scroll down and you want to click on the blue Sign Up button. From here, you'll be prompted to sign into your Apple ID, so you want to continue to do so. And now you've linked your Apple ID, your account has now been linked with the beta program, which means we can go ahead and start downloading beta software. To do this, you want to go to the Apple logo in the top left hand corner, and then you want to click on System Settings. Once you're in the System Settings, you want to click on the General tab, and from here you want to click on Software Update. Now you'll notice a new tab that will appear called Beta Updates, and if you don't see this, you may need to restart your Mac. From here, you want to click on the information icon just to the right of it, and it's going to bring up this pop-up box. From here, you want to click on the drop-down menu next to Beta Updates, and you want to select the version of the beta update you want to install. In many cases, you want to install the macOS public beta update, and as of recording this video, this is for macOS Sequoia. All you need to do is to click onto it, and then click onto Done. And after a few seconds, the update page will appear in this box, which will tell you more information about the update. So once you're ready, you want to go back to the update page and you want to click on Upgrade Now. This is going to download the update to your Mac, and then it will prompt you to install it, which requires restarting your Mac. Once it's been restarted, you'll be updated to the newest version of the macOS beta. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.